Ever have a home speak to you? That's what visiting a Schumacher model home is like. You walk it and you experience it. Getting your inspiration correct is essential when you're shopping for a new home. It should define you, your wants and your needs. We build our model homes in design studios so customers can actually put themselves in their potential new home, so they can picture themselves entertaining their family and friends in the open spaces of the kitchens and great rooms. I want them to get a feel for what it would be like for their family to live in homes like our models. What would work for their families, what wouldn't? They exist for our customers to experience the quality of our homes firsthand and see all the benefits of a new home versus a used home. We invested in these for our customers. You just can't get the same feeling from looking at a two-dimensional floor plan on a website. Our design studios are where our customers' inspiration plays out. We allow you to make your home truly yours, from rooftop to countertop and everything in between. Our design studios and model homes make the home building process easy. We put them right on the highway, all over, so people can get to them. We keep them open 7 days a week, nearly every day of the year. There's no substitute for living in a home filled with choices made by you, for you. Your home will have your vision and be a place for you to express yourself in ways you never even expected. That's why it is so important for people to visit our model homes and design studios.